My name is Kaushal Rathod and we have team mate we are the student of Mitaoe Computer branch and this is our final product for civil prototyping. This is a bamboo stool. So the further introduction will be given by Ahmed Patil.
Yes, I am Mohan Patel and I am here to tell you about the basics of bamboo. Bamboo in itself is a lightweight material, so it is very easy to construct with. It has a high strength to weight ratio. Also, because of its nature, it is biodegradable, so it is very eco-friendly and it is available highly abundant. So it can be considered as a very good alternative to the traditional ways of furniture, which are wood furniture, and also recently plastic furnitures have been marketed, which are not biodegradable and can be harmful to our environment. So this can be considered as a very good alternative.
So for checking the strength and durability of our stool, see we have created lots of joints in it, so it might not be durable and can't handle lots of weight. We created lots of skins and made it very sustainable for taking weights. So we have put some weights in our box. This is a box we have in our table, so it can handle capacity of 10 to 15 kg. It's very durable. So after checking the strength of the product, let's go to the product detailing. In the product detailing, first we have to make this frame, under frame and upper frame. So for making this whole product tank, first we have to cut these 4 long bamboos. Then we have to connect these both with these small bamboo rods which have keys interlocked between them. Then the upper frame is directly connected with a cable wire. So you can see it's simple bamboo stool. Then again the upper frame is also connected using small bamboos with small lock which is in it. So for creating our product, we have used lots of tools. Like for cutting of bamboo, we use cutter and grinder. Then after cutting, for creating small keys and this plug holes, we have used drills. Drills we make small holes in this, and using keys we have locked this. After that, the long bamboos which were left, we used for them upper front modeling framework. Then for after connecting, doing all this. We have used hammer for making the connection strong like this, so that it can handle lots of strain and stress. So this was our all product detailing. This our product looks very friendly and eco-friendly. It's very biodegradable. So for further discussion, I asked Aman to discuss the product costing.
So moving on with the cost estimation. These are rough cost estimations for our project, the bamboo stool. The given rates for bamboo currently is 20 rupees per meter, and because it is a small project, we require less a quantity of bamboo. Our dimensions are 2 feet by 1.5 feet, but we also required more bamboo for the joints and frames. So we use 15 meters of bamboo, so that equals to 300 rupees. Also, most of the work was done by us, so the labor costs are an approximation. The skilled labor work was of 4 days, that is to create the prototype for the project, and the other semi-skilled and unskilled labor was for 1 day, that approximately required 10 hours to complete the project. So these are the approximate cost of labor per day, and the calculations are done. So the total labor cost would come up to 2,425 rupees. Moving on, the indirect costs are divided into 3 parts. First is machine hiring costs, which were provided to us by college. If we do an approximation of the cost required there, and the tools we use, it approximately comes to 130 rupees. Also, we have taken the electricity cost and engineering cost into consideration. The electricity cost for the entire duration of the project, it required nearly 24 units. So 24 into 7.89, that is price per unit. It gives us roughly 190 rupees, and engineering cost is 5% of the total project. So our total project fees is multiplied by 0.05, which gives us the engineering cost. So adding the total cost, we get 3,369 rupees. So roughly 3,400 rupees for the entire project. So now we will proceed to the next topic.
So next is we discuss is the problem faced during building this tool. We face various problems while building this tool because this tool gets narrow when it travels from bottom to top. Like you can see, this is a lot bigger and it's smaller in circumferences. Now, this was the first problem we faced. The next problem was that these joints were not evenly cut, or with sometimes there was uneven cutting in them, so they were not locked correctly after we cut them. So further, the third problem we faced was the upper frame. Upper frame to connect was very hard because sometimes these were very small bamboos and were not able to handle lots of weight. So for creating, we sometimes broke 3 to bamboos. After that, we were not able to connect this upper frame to this upper foundation frame because this is very small bamboo. So we taken one wire and built it.
So to conclude our project, bamboo can be considered as a very good alternative to the traditional ways of furniture making, like wood, plastic. Because of the non-biodegradable nature of plastic and metals, it is better to consider biodegradable options for our future generations. Also, because of the high strength to weight ratio of bamboo, a good construction of bamboo with lots of mass can withstand a lot of stress. So that can also be accompanied into it. It was a good experience creating a prototype, and we thank sir to give us this opportunity to finish this project. Thank you.